Hey, Poppy here. As you can see, I'm in the computer room. If you're not over the age of 18, go the fuck away. I don't want you there watching me. Nothing here for you. This channel is for people who are old and have more than half a brain. I'm not saying you young people don't have half a brain. I can't measure, so I will not make any claims one way or the other on that. Anyway, this channel is not for children. I had no children content, and other than once, when granddad would come to visit, there were no children on it. So, it's mini machining and some really dry, sarcastic adult humor. Like I said, nothing here for kids, so go away. Hey gang, Poppy here. You see, I'm still out in the shop and I'm working on this. There's my parting tool. Oh yeah, I'm gonna hook the parting tool up. There, that's good. Touch off. Okay. I think I might be deep enough. See if I can find something to slip in there. Disclose the depth. Not enough. Not enough. Are you enough now? I think it might be deep enough now. Take this. Oh, hey, that's like... Yeah. Okay, let me find something better. Perhaps nope, too fat. My Chesterman isn't here. I cannot see my... Not thin enough. Hey, how am I going to... Yeah, there is that. Find a nice clean spot. Now, don't you just love when everything's going right? Okay, that's almost 3/8 deep. Nope. A little more. Oh, I guarantee it's deep enough now. Hey, this is what you call here. This is what you call an indirect measurement. And that's 9/16 deep. More than enough. More than enough. Okay. Now, I do believe I want to grind a tree panning tool. Okay, where are my 1/8 Momax? Next drawer down. No. Next drawer under that. Now, where are you, Momax? I know you're hiding in there. There we are. There we go. Yeah. All right, gang. This is a piece of 1/8 inch Momax. I'm going to grind a tree panning tool to go like so. I shall be back. I'm going to do this off camera because I got to stand up and run around. I'm wearing a top. Well, I can get away with it if you don't see it. I got friends amongst the tubers who get jealous if I machine topless. Hey gang, I'm back. You can't see it, it's back here behind the vise, but I ground a piece of 1/8 Momax to make a tree panning tool. And now I'm going to tree pan this ring off. Why aren't you cutting the way I want you to? What is wrong? Did I not clamp you tight enough? Maybe I should adjust this cutting tool geometry a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to have to work on this tool. That should be better. There! I adjusted the geometry of this tool. Oh yeah, much better. Oh shit. When it rains, it freaking pours. Yeah. You just do not want to cooperate, huh? No. It just wants to move. It's as plain as that. That piece of Momax wants to move. See if I can get a bit of crank down on this tool. Free! At last! And actually, it came out much better, except for right here. Right here, where I hit and rose a burr in the exact last place I wanted a burr. I do believe that well, that's the machining portion of this project. Now I have to put the numbers on this baby. That's next. But for now, I just cut myself, so I'm bleeding for YouTube and I'm going in. Good night.